One of the favorite cruise activities is getting the free unlimited soft serve ice cream. These soft serve machines are usually in the buffet areas or around the pool decks on the cruise ships. You can use the included cones or just grab a cup or a bowl and fill them up. Most of these machines are self-serve, so if you're going to make a cone, here are a few helpful tips. This machine in particular has two flavors, chocolate on the left, vanilla on the right, and the middle handle will give you a swirling combination of both flavors. Now if you hang around these machines for very long, you'll quickly see people struggling to make a decent ice cream cone. Here are a few common mistakes to avoid. In this example, you'll see the cone is too far away from the nozzle and the handle is being pulled down too much. You need the cone close to the nozzle to compress the ice cream into the cone. Now this is an example of doing all three things wrong. The cone is too far away from the nozzle, pulling the handle down all the way, and moving your hand too fast, all of which results in a messy cone. You do not want to walk away from the ice cream machine with a cone that looks like this. Here are some examples of things you can do to make your ice cream cone look like you know what you're doing. Now first off, if the ice cream machine is dispensing runny or unfrozen ice cream, it will be tough to make a nice cone. You'll immediately be able to see the consistency of the ice cream. If it's nice and frozen, you'll be able to make a nice cone. Now here's an easy way to make a good ice cream cone. The cone needs to be very close to the nozzle. You can see it's very close. Pull very light pressure down on the handle, and then as the ice cream is dispensing, slowly use a pumping motion to compress the ice cream down upon itself, and therefore making a nice, solid, stable ice cream cone. Here's another look at this pumping motion. The cone is very close, within an inch of the nozzle, and then the pumping motion compresses the ice cream in an up and down manner so that it makes a nice, tall, straight cone. Here's another method to try. So the cone's still very close, the handle is pushed down very lightly, so the ice cream's coming out very slowly. As it's coming out, you're using a very slow swirling technique with the hand. So this can compress the ice cream down, and you can make a very tall cone with this method because the ice cream is slowly getting compressed, it's slowly getting swirled. As long as the ice cream is nice and frozen, you can make a very tall cone with this method. So the key to both methods is keeping the cone close to the nozzle, having the ice cream come out very slowly, and using either a circular or a pumping motion to create a nice ice cream cone. Hopefully this gives you some good information, some good tips when it comes to using your soft serve ice cream machine. Next time you're on your cruise and you get ice cream, try these tips. Keep the cone close, use a slight swirling or pumping motion, and pull the handle very lightly, and it will create a good professional looking cone. Guys, thanks for watching the video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.